Dubai is where tradition meets imagination, and in 6 thoughtfully planned days, you can experience both sides of its story. Here's how we recommend exploring it. Begin with a view that redefines perspective. From the 124th and 125th floors of the Burj Khalifa, the city unfolds beneath you. Skyline, desert, and sea in perfect harmony. Venture into the golden stillness of the desert. Feel the rhythm of the dunes, the warmth of local hospitality, and an evening of celebration beneath the stars. Step into a world of imagination. IMG Worlds offer a climate controlled escape where storytelling and family friendly adventure come alive. A day in Abu Dhabi offers serenity and speed. From the grandeur of the Sheikh Zayed Mosque to the exhilaration of Ferrari World's iconic rides. On your final day, unwind or explore. Perhaps a yacht cruise, a sky-high view, or a quiet afternoon in the souks. This day is yours, shaped around your style just for you. This isn't just a holiday, it's a tailored journey, designed for those who want to experience Dubai beautifully.